Hi team, how are you? Good afternoon. So I believe uh, you all are fine. So let me explain to you team how the German language works in terms of your hotels. Now today I will give you some vocabularies related to your hotels. Is it clear to you team? Now for example, because this is a very important topic, if you will say, can you recommend, now for example, if you'll say, now for example, checking in hotel, so how, what type of conversation you can use? Can you recommend, can you recommend it me a good hotel? Can you recommend it me? Can you? So we have können, very important. Or we have umlaut. So I can say können Sie, repeat after me, can you? Können Sie mir ein, can you recommend it? Können Sie mir ein, okay, gutes, gutes, we have good, gutes, hotel, hotel, okay, empfehlen, empfehlen, we have verb to recommend, empfehlen, repeat after me, empfehlen, empfehlen is my verb to recommend. So for example, if I will say, can you recommend me a good hotel? So what to say? Repeat after me. Können Sie. Können Sie is my can you. Mir, me. Ein, a gutes Hotel. Empfehlen. Empfehlen, we have verb to recommend. Repeat after me. Empfehlen. Repeat after me. Empfehlen, we have verb to recommend. So repeat after me. If you say, can you recommend me a good hotel? What you say? Now, because this is the language which you have to speak up. That's a phrases. Now, for example, you check in hotel. And in your speaking portion, you have given some hotel pics. So you can say like anything. Können Sie mir ein gutes Hotel empfehlen? So repeat after me. Können Sie mir ein gutes Hotel empfehlen? Empfehlen, we have verb to recommend. Empfehlen. Repeat after me. Empfehlen. Repeat after me. Empfehlen. So that's how the language works. Now, for example, we have second thing. If you say, have you a cheap single room? Have you? Now, for example, you make a question. Team, these are the activities that will come in your speaking portion. You have to make a question. And you're asking, have you a cheap single room? Clear? Have you? Then we have haben Sie. Repeat after me. Haben Sie ein billiges, very important. Repeat after me. Billiges. Billiges, we have a verb which is to cheap. Billiges. Einzel. 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 Zimmer. Have you a cheap single room? I'm asking to you. Have you a cheap single room? Now, team, I will break the vocabularies in order to explain to you. Have you a cheap single room? I can say haben Sie a billiges. Billiges is my vocab to cheap. Billiges. Repeat after me. See, these are the vocabularies which will walk you out. Billiges. Repeat after me. Billiges. Recommendation is what? Empfehlen. Repeat after me, team. Empfehlen is my recommendation in German language. Billiges is my cheap. Obviously, team, if you will, practice with those sessions, you will learn the German language very fluently. Sometimes it takes some time, but yes, to help with these type of conversation, it will help you. Clear? Okay. Now, haben Sie ein billiges Einzelzimmer? Is it clear to you? Bilicious is my cheap and Einzel is my single. Simmer is my room. Is it clear to you, team? Now you will say, no, sir, only a double room. It's a conversation which we are doing. You say, no, sir, only a double room. Clear? Then I can say 9. 9. No, sir. 9. Mine hair. Mr. Hair. Only nose. Nose. We have Doppelzimmer. Doppelzimmer. So what I'm saying over here, no sir, only a double room. 9. Mine here, Mr. My sir. Nur, only a double room. Doppelzimmer. Doppelzimmer, we have double room. So let's have a conversation now. For example, the person is checking a hotel, he's asking, können Sie mir ein gutes Hotel empfehlen? Now the second person will say, haben Sie ein billiges Einzelzimmer? Nein, mein Herr, nur Doppelzimmer. Is it clear to you? We only Doppelzimmer. Zimmer we have room. Doppelzimmer we have double room. Here we have Mr. Nur we have only. Is it clear to you, team? Now, for example, he used the vocab, he had a room reserved for. See, today you are doing the sentence making hotels. He had a room reserved for. He had. Hatte. Is it clear to you? Hatte ein Zimmer. Very important. Is he. Hatte is had. Ein is a. Zimmer is room. Okay. Bestellt. Bestellt we have reserved. Let me write it down. So over here we have bestellt. Bestellt für. Für we have for. Für. Is it clear to you, team? So what I'm saying over here is he had a room reserved for. It means hatte, he had ein Zimmer, a room. Okay. Bestellt. Bestellt für. Bestellt we have reserved. Bestellt für. Reserved. So team, you will now how many vocab you have over here? I can say empfehlen is my recommend. Clear. Bilicious is my cheap. Okay. Doppelzimmer we have double room. Bestellt. Bestellt we have reserved. Für we have 4. Is it clear to you, team? Clear. Now, for example, if I will say, please show me the room. Please show me the room. Zeigen. Zeigen, we have verb to show. Zeigen. 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 Please show me the room. Zeigen Sie. Me. Me is mir. Me is mir. Bitte. Please. Is it clear to you? Das Zimmer. Das Zimmer. Is it clear to you? So I'm saying, please show me the room. I can just zeigen Sie mir bitte das Zimmer. Repeat after me, team. If I'm saying, please show me the room, what I can say, zeigen Sie mir bitte das Zimmer. Zeigen, we have verb to show. Is it clear to you, team? Zeigen Sie mir bitte das Zimmer. Is it clear to you, team? Clear, team? Now, for example, if I will say, please reserve us a double room. Please, bitte. Now reserve. If I will say, please reserve. Now write it down. The English, please. Please reserve us a double room. So what I can say, bitte reservieren. Okay, reservieren. So I'm saying, Bitte reservieren Sie. Is it clear to you? Because I'm saying, please reserve us a double room. Bitte, okay, reservieren Sie uns ein, please reserve us a double room. Uns, we have us. Uns ein Doppelzimmer. Very simple. Doppel. See, over here, I am breaking the vocabularies over here. Please bitte reservieren. Reservieren, we have reserve. Z, reservieren Z. Uns is, a. Ein is a. Doppelzimmer is double room. Is it clear to you? When do you serve breakfast? When? When is one. Clear? It means when you give me. Gift is. When you give is. When you serve. Give. Give is. Okay. Frühstück. Very important. That is Frühstück. Frühstück, we have breakfast. Repeat after me, team. Frühstück. Let me write it down, the spelling of Frühstück. Now, over here we have two omelette. We have omelette and omelette. So I'm saying over here, when do you give me the breakfast? When do you give when you serve the breakfast? Sense of the language. So one, gift is Frühstück. Frühstück, we have breakfast. Repeat after me. Frühstück. Frühstück. Repeat after me. Frühstück. Frühstück, we have breakfast. Frühstück. When do you serve the breakfast? One gift is Frühstück. If I will say, please reserve a room, very simple. Please reserve a room. Bitte reservieren Sie ein Zimmer. Bitte. Now over here we have reservieren, very important. We already have done the vocabulary, right? Bitte reservieren Sie ein Zimmer. Is it clear to your team? So I'm saying over here, bitte, please reserve a room for me. Reserve me a room. Bitte reservieren Sie ein Zimmer. Reservieren Sie ein Zimmer. If you say, where can I park my car? Wo is where. Kann ich, is it clear to you? Wo kann ich meinen, we have meinen, okay, Wagen, is it clear to you, team? Wagen, abstellen, repeat after me, abstellen, repeat after me, team. Abstellen is my parking, park. If I say, where can I park my car? Wo kann ich meinen Wagen abstellen? Is it clear to my team? Well, please reserve me a room for me. But you will say, bitte reservieren, okay, Sie ein Zimmer. Where can I park my car? Wo kann ich meinen Wagen abstellen? Is it clear to you, team? Clear? Very simple, team. If you see, now it's very simple. If you say, I had a room reserved for, I had, what to say? Ich hatte, I had. Ich hatte ein Zimmer reserved, bestellt. We already have done bestellt für. Is it clear to you, team? Bestellt für. If I say I had a room reserved for, so I can say ich hatte. Okay, ein Zimmer bestellt für. Is it clear to you? If you will say with shower, you know, shower with shower, with bath, with mit douche, we have shower, team. Mit douche, bath, we have bath. Bath, bath. You know bath, bath. Okay, that is bath. I should like a garage. I should like a garage. I should bitte, please. I should like a garage, please. Bitte eine Garage. Is it clear to you? Eine Garage. Simple. Is it clear to you? Now, for example, if I can use anything, will you please? चलो ये अभी थोड़ा टफ होगा. We can say I want some bread with butter and cheese. What you will say? I want some bread. Now, for example, you have a poster for bread, butter and cheese, and you have to make something. So what do you say? I want some bread. Ich möchte, very important. Ich, okay. I want, möchte, very important. Oh, we have a typing error, sorry. Over here we have ich möchte some etwas möchte. Over here we have umlaut. Ich möchte etwas some, okay. Bread we have broth. Clear team, broth. Clear. With butter, mit butter and cheese we have Käse. Is it clear to your team? A we have umlaut. Clear. So what I'm saying is I want some bread with butter and cheese. I can say ich möchte etwas Brot mit Butter und Käse. Is it clear to you? If you will see, for example, you will say, bring me some fresh tea. Bringen Sie mir etwas frischen Tee. Frischen tea. Is it clear to you? Fresh tea. I'm saying over here, bring me some fresh tea. I can say like that. Bringen, we already have done. Bringen Sie mir, okay, mir etwas frischen Tee. Is it clear to you? If you say, can I have some more to drink? Can I have? Kann ich? Very important. Team, now you can make the sentences. Kann ich noch etwas more to drink. Noch etwas, is it clear to zu trinken haben. Very simple. Can I have some more to drink? What to say? Kann ich noch etwas zu trinken haben? Repeat after me if I'm saying, can I have some more to drink? Kann ich noch etwas zu trinken haben? Is it clear to you? If you say, do you have a map of the town? Do you have? Question making. How to make a question? Because this is your pattern for speaking. You have to make a question. Do you have a map of the town? Haben Sie einen, okay, Stadtplan. Stadtplan, we have, you know, map of the town, city, Stadt. We have Stadtplan, we have the map of the town. Is it clear to you? So team, this is a language wherein we have done, you know, the concept related to your sentence making, and obviously with the help of this session, it will help you out to clear your GOIT A1 exam pattern for speaking. Clear? So we can meet in the next module, obviously, and I will get back to you soon. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.